Hello, this is Kate. In this tutorial, I'll tell you useful logic shortcuts and tips that can make your workflow faster. First, a lot of things that we do is zoom in and out. So if you press Command key and arrow key together, you can zoom in and out. If you want to zoom in horizontally, press Command and press left and right arrow key. And if you want to zoom in and out vertically, press Command and up and down arrow key together. And if you want to see those kind of wave signal bigger, press Command and press plus and minus key together to zoom in and out the waveform. And if you want to go to the certain measure, press slash, then you will see this kind of window open, and you can just enter the measure that you want to go. If I want to go to the measure 15, I'm going to just press 15. Here the locator goes to the 15 measure, and measure 3, press slash, and 3. Okay, now I'm in measure 3. And if you want to create instrument track, press Command Option and S. And for creating new audio track, press Command Option and A. And very good function of this new Logic version 10.5 is it became very convenient with audio tempo. Okay, I'm gonna create audio track. And if we import some audio track, it didn't fit the Logic project tempo, so it made us cumbersome to do the project. So I want to drag this audio file to Logic project, and it's seen as 120 BPM. I'm going to drag this to Logic project. It still keeps its own tempo, and the Logic project is 108. But if you want to change the audio file same as Logic project tempo, we can go here, Smart Tempo Project Setting, and we can change Set Imported Audio Files to and click this one. Okay, if you do this one, any kind of audio files automatically changes into the Logic project tempo. Okay, I'm gonna drag same audio file again. This audio file is set to 108 BPM. And if we edit audio files, so especially for drum, you might have a lot of chance to cut the drum files before the transient. So here I set the locator at 9. If I want to move to the next transient, press Ctrl and press period or comma key to move to the next transient. Now you see the locator goes to the next transient. And if you want to cut the audio file before the playhead, select the region, you press Command and press bracket. Now you see the audio file before the locator is deleted. If you want to delete the part after the locator, press Command and other bracket. Okay. So you can move your audio file by dragging this way, but there's another easy way to do this one much quicker. If I want to move this audio file to measure 3, I'm going to set my locator to be on measure 3 by pressing slash and click 3. You select the region and just press semicolon. Then the audio file moves to where locator is, here. And if you want to loop certain region, select the region and press Command U. You see the loop region is selected here. So if I want to loop this region part, select the region and press Command U. And you can undo loop by pressing the C. Watch here. Okay, press C. And if you want to loop on, C again. And there's other good function about piano roll. Okay, as you see, there are a lot of overlapped notes. And if you want to delete this overlapped part, select the note and press backslash. Okay, and I'm gonna just press shorten, and it removes all the overlapped part. And we can move MIDI notes just by dragging with mouse, but other way, by pressing Option and arrow key together. Press Option, and if I press up and down key, press Option, and press left and right arrow key, it moves that way. And if you want to move MIDI notes an octave high or octave down, select the MIDI note, press Shift Option and arrow key. These MIDI notes have different note length, but if you want to make all the MIDI note lengths to be same, select this MIDI note region. I'm going to choose all by pressing Command A. You press Option Shift and then drag it. Pressing Option Shift and dragging it, it makes all the note lengths to be the same. If I want to open the piano roll window like I just did, just press E And if you press E again, it'll close the window. For mix window, press X. And for app loops, press O. And for event marker tempo, this window, press D. Press D again to close. And if you want to divide the region, set the locator and press Command T. It's dividing the region. And there are two things that you can choose the tools. Left and right one. Okay, this one is set to pointer, this one is set to marquee. And if you want to change the tool to the second one, just press Command. Now you see this pointer is changed to the marquee tool. Okay, if I change it to the pencil tool and press Command, it's changed to pencil tool. Okay, so these are very useful shortcuts that you are going to often use when you use Logic. If this tutorial helped you, press like or subscribe or both. Thank you.